right, at my secret bait catching spot. Super secret. No one ever comes here. Really quick before I begin my descent to the river, shout out to Flashpoint Designs making me my shirt. They nailed it. You got all the fish in the front that I wanted. And then I don't know how well you can see the back. That silhouette, man. They did 100% of the artwork on this shirt, and I couldn't be more happy. Anyone curious what the Ohio and Little Miami river mouth looks like? There she is. The wind is a lot worse here. Oh, I see 2 sticks up where somebody was probably bank fishing. The wind's a lot worse here at the opening, so I am going to turn around. Oh, there was a fish that just jumped right there. Probably a gar. I'm going to turn around now and go fish the mouth somewhere else. But one of these days when I get out here, I'm going to go fish that. So, yeah, the Ohio does not look fun right now. I can see the white caps. All right, well, time to get back up into the Little Miami before this wind blows me over. Oh, it's a good fish, it's a good fish. I need to keep him out my other line. I really hope this is a good fish and not a gar. He's fighting like a good catfish. Oh, stay on my other line. All right, my left line right now is snagged. He's pulling hard. Yeah, come on. Stay on the bottom. I think he's gonna be too big for this landing net. We're gonna get, oh, yeah. We're gonna get that landing net ready right behind me. Come on, baby, let's land this. I'm fighting him more aggressively than I normally would because I have all sorts of shrubbery. I have all sorts of debris around me. And my last time I was here, I had one go underneath a log. This is a good fish, this is a good fish. I really hope it's not a gar. Oh, I really hope this ain't a gar. Come on, be a flathead or a blue. Those guys who just went by in their boat, I'm assuming it's the captain. I heard him talking. They're a bunch of drunk younger kids, and I appreciate them. I heard their captain talking before. He was like, I must be wearing this guy out. I've crossed him 4 times now. But here's the thing, boaters, look. Show me some respect. That guy's been showing me nothing but respect. He's gone by slow. Dude, blast your music going by. It's not my river. You have just as much right to this river that I do. So, I'm not gonna be here trying to stop your party. Oh no. I'm not enjoying these GoPros. I don't know when both of my GoPros stop recording. Okay, he's facing the wrong way. Let's get him facing the right way and get him out of this net. Oh. All right, come here, buddy. Oh, this guy was hooked well. It's nice when big fish hit, because these J hooks, I never have any issues taking hooks out of big fish. My issues is when the fish is not big enough. So, all right, buddy, you missed the dinner plate. Those clouds are going northwest. Those clouds are going southeast. And I just checked the radar, and there is a pretty sizable storm coming from the southeast. So, and the wind's coming from the southeast. I'm sorry, the wind's coming from the northwest towards me southeast. So we'll see. And it's funny, I've seen actually 4 or 5 boats go out and only 1 come in. So maybe they know something I don't know, but that radar does not look good. I might abandon ship here and get to the bank somewhere relatively close to shade, because it's a constant wind, and the last place I want to be stuck is out in the middle of where the Ohio River meets the Little Miami in a storm.
Hey, there's a big storm coming.
I'm pulling in right now. Oh, that sucked. So I don't know if you can see the storm behind me. I'm gonna try and angle it so you can. But I ain't beating this storm. So, and on the radar, I didn't see anything behind it. So I'll round this corner up here. There's a little more shade. I'm gonna get up on the bank, toss some rods out where boats coming in can go over top of it. Yeah, it's gonna suck. And I'm just gonna ride this storm out. And if I catch any during the storm, maybe I'll record it. I don't know. What I do know is life's about to suck. All right, maybe if I do it this way. Yo! That was a big takedown. Much bigger than my first one. Wow. I just hope this was one of those takedowns where he didn't hit it and run. He just hit it and the whole kayak started moving. Oh. This is a good fish. If he didn't hook himself, I'll be super surprised. Oh man, I hope there's no debris down there. Oh, I'm trying to. I really hope it's not a big gar. Oh, this is a monster. He's gonna have his way with me for a second. Oh man, this is much bigger than the last fish I had. I need to work on my flexibility. I can't get to this other damn pole. Please, other pole, don't get hit, don't get hit, don't get hit. Oh, 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 I don't know if you can hear that. That's him grounding against something. Damn. I should probably loosen this drag just a little. Now that my other poles are out of the way. I can't even guess what this is, because my last guess was a flathead and I was wrong. I'm getting tired fighting them. I haven't ate yet today, so I've only had if he's hooked well, there's no point in horsing him in. He's strong. Definitely stronger than the last fish I just caught, but that doesn't mean he's bigger. I might have an audience and I hear people coming. I really hope I don't lose them. Stay out of there. I know closer to the bank has. Oh. He's coming up now, or not. Trying to see where those people are. I kind of want to call them over here because, I mean, I know when I'm out walking around, if I see somebody fishing, I love watching them reeling a fish. Oh, this guy's massive. I want to say he's fighting as hard as the 2 fish that I lost this year, but I also don't want to say that just in case he's super tiny. I should probably reel my other poles up just a little bit. I see my mono pole. It looks like it's stuck. Last thing I want is to get snagged. Oh no. Oh, this ain't good. All right, so that pole snagged. This pole has a giant fish on it. I need to keep my fish out of, oh no. Stay over here. So the fish took me shallow, and where my poles were, they are now, one of them snagged. So this isn't good. I need to keep him away from the snag. He's going. Oop. That figures. That my other pole snagged. His tail just popped over there. Guys, we might be looking at like a 35+ inch fish. Oh no, 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 stay out of my other line. No. Holy shit. Holy shit. This is the biggest flathead I've ever caught, or I've ever seen. I don't want to say caught yet. He's not going to fit in this net. Come on, come on, come on, stay on. Get in that net, get in that net. Oh. Oh. Ha ha! I can't get him in the back. Oh. 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 Oh, I feel bad I have him in this net. I need to get him out of it. Oh. Look at this flathead. All right, he needs to get out of this net. I'm taking this guy to the bank to measure him. I need to, if this snag doesn't come out in a second, I'm just cutting the line. Yeah, I'm just cutting this line. I'll deal with any backlash that I get. Oh, awesome. I got my gear back. It was just snagged on the bottom. Or on the rope, anchor rope. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have time to deal with this. Alright, I'm just snipping this. I'll deal with this later. I need to get this guy measured and back in the water as soon as possible. When it's warmer like this, they become much more fragile fish. But I'm also not trying to hook myself. Alright, 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 alright. We got a mess. And I can use all this extra line for bank lines. That line ain't gonna go to waste, no way. I can use it for leader line or bank lines. Alright, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I don't have time for this. I need to get this guy measured and back in the water. Let's get him and the pole up on the bank. Ugh. Come on, buddy. Alright, I'm gonna slide you in slowly. Regain your strength. Come on. He's ready to go, but I'm gonna hold him here for a second. Haha, yes. Take your time. Take your time. She's not wanting to flip upside down. This is good. I'm barely holding on to her. Alright, so I don't know if the camera got me screaming, but I know a lot of people catch a lot bigger fish than that. Also, they catch them regularly. But man, the last month has been awful. And that right there just, that's the apex predator that we're all out here trying to catch. Every catfisherman is out here trying to catch a flathead. You know, if you have almost no flathead and almost all blues, I get it, you're probably out there trying to catch blues, but that's our prize species. That guy right there, we're looking minimum 25 pounds, more than likely 30. I'm going to put him in that 25-pound range just so people don't in the video comments and online, because, you know, the weight police will come out. So we'll call him at minimum a 25-pound flathead. He was 35 inches, 25 pounds. That's why we're out here. That's why we're doing this. So you can't see it, but this hill, anyone who knows Magrish knows how much a pain in the butt this hill is to get up. If you take your Bamfish shirt and slide it in your front handle and grab it like that, gives you a lot more leverage to pull your kayak up. It just has to be a Bamfish shirt. That's the catch. So if you're of age, and another tip. So I smoke cigars occasionally. And if you're out there fishing and the bugs are bothering you, light one of these up. They won't bother you as long as while it's lit anyway. I brought one just in case I was going to night fish. I'm not night fishing, but after that flathead, I feel like treating myself, so this is my victory cigar. By no way am I supporting drugs or alcohol, but if you're of age and you do it responsibly, there's no reason why you can't have a cigar once in a while.